So today I'm going to show you a quick fix to a very annoying problem, and that is when you paste a transparent document into Open Canvas and it doesn't open correctly, so it doesn't have the transparency. So let's say we want to get a transparent PNG into here. So normally you would go into your files, you would take that document and you would just open it in any way, and here you can see that it's transparent because it's black all around, so there is no background, and you would just copy that and go back to your Open Canvas, and then you would say Control V, which is paste. And what happens is this. It's a total mess, right? And that's not what we want. So what we do, instead, we're gonna just throw this away. And as you can see, this is not the fault of the background. Even if I take away the background, it stays this way. And there is no way to fix this in this form. So what you need to do is this. First, you delete the faulty layer, so you don't need that. Then you go back to the document that you want to have entered transparent, and instead of opening it at anything, open it with Open Canvas. And now that you've opened it in Open Canvas, you can see the problem is still here. It's not transparent. Though the little icon does show transparency, the document itself is not transparent. So this, you don't get the weird stuff behind it, but it's not right. So what you go is you go to View, and then you say click Transparent here. And now you're going to see the transparency, but it's still not done. You go to this, you keep this layer on, so the one that you've opened, it's going to be the only layer if it's a PNG here, and you click this. This is Protect Alpha, so it means like you can't draw outside of that which is not transparent on this document. That sort of wakes up the program to the awareness that this is a transparent layer. And now you do Control C. That means you copy the layer that you have here. You go back to your source document, right? Well, it doesn't want to click. And here, and then you do Control V and you paste it in. And voila, it respects the transparency. And now you can move it around, you can do whatever you want because your dog is transparent as it should be. The dog's name is Hawaii. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Open Canvas fixes and solutions and tutorials.